Hey, it's Ray, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're gonna go ahead and watch Finding Crack. Because why not? Why not look for some crack? I mean, we already get it outside the 7-Eleven anyway, so we might as well find it on the internet. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys are down for that, y'all are interested, go ahead and get you a snack, get you a little drink. I don't know, man. Order a fucking pizza or some shit. I don't know. I'm not your mom. And let's go ahead and get right into this.
Wow.
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 I love how all the views are going down. That is insane. Wow. Indeed. Defy really, you're gonna need a defibrillator after getting those views, man.
Yes, Marlon. I see it. It's beautiful.
Wowzers.
And the
Oh
neighborhood
shit.
is awesome.
We love that. Oh my god. Is that what's in the neighborhood? I think we need to call the police.
We'll name this half Ligma. And then this half, where did everybody go?
One half is Ligma and the other half is balls.
She took the kids.
Balls.
See what I mean? See what I mean? Because he's dusty. Anywho. Jokes are not funny, and I love the kids.
I will never let anything happen to you.
Are you sure?
Wake up, wake up.
Oh
How many
shit!
stripes do I have?
Damn.
Answer the stripe question. How's the luck?
I thought he was gonna say Okay,
Thin.
anyways.
Let's see.
What? Was that what the fuck? Oh my god.
Are
Okay.
you sure you want to
Hi.
go to school this year? Because there's no problem if you don't. You can wait 5 or 6 years.
5
Remember
years
6
later.
years, motherfucker? How many years are you trying to hold this motherfucker back? It's weird ass shit,
Okay.
nigga.
Forgot to
to
brush.
us.
Do you want this anemone to sting you?
How about I sting you with my balls, bitch?
Yes.
Brush.
Yes.
A number
How about you brush these nuts?
9 large. A number 6 with extra dip.
Now, what's the one thing we have to remember about the ocean?
The ocean is a soup.
That's my...
Ocean is a soup. Technically, the ocean is gumbo. Technically, seafood gumbo. Okay. Hey, look, let's just be real. It might even be seafood gazpacho because it's cold. I'm just saying, there might be. He might be right.
Hey, you're a clownfish. You're funny, right? Hey, tell us a joke. Stop! Don't laugh at him!
But I mean, he's a clownfish, so what the fuck else are we supposed to do?
Dad, can I go play too? Can I?
I would feel better if you go play over on the sponge beds.
Yes! Fuck yes! Oh shit.
Let's go!
I've
Literally any kid's theme park ever. I'ma just be real with you.
armed the tentacle with a Swiss Army knife.
I'm H2O and Tom.
Okay, if you don't put that shit away, little girl, I'ma cut you up. Yeah, we can tell.
Появился, значит, в зоне черный сталкер.
Have you ever had a dreams that you
He's autistic, severely autistic.
Oh shit. See, you can't just diss my man because he has a tiny thin, bro. Come on, bro. Why you gotta do my man like that?
What are you insane? Why don't we just fry him up now and serve him with chips? Name a...
Why can't we fry you up instead because you talk too goddamn much, bruh?
Wow, that's a pretty big butt.
Oh shit.
Touch the butt.
He touched the
Touch the butt, dude. Not the butt.
You think you can do these things, but you just can't, Nemo.
I hate you.
Yeah, why you gotta be a little bitch, Marlon? Why you always gotta tell niggas that they can't do something, bitch? Like, what's your problem, nigga? Anyway.
Bye, son.
See, yeah, that's shit.
Have fun.
I'm not. Oh shit. Oh shit, it got a little bit too real for a second. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Художественный фильм спиздили.
Some of these jokes be coming in way too damn. Hold on. I swear to Bob, bruh. Swear to Bob. Can't do that.
Oh no, they took him away. I have to find the boat.
Hey, I've seen a boat.
You have?
Uh-huh. Hi, I'm Dory. Follow me.
Ah,
Thank you.
this bitch. Anyways.
You quit it?
What?
Trying to swim here.
But what the hell, boy?
You are a crazy fish.
Crazy? I was crazy. They locked me in a room rubber room full of rats. Rats make me crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy?
Crazy.
No,
I was
no.
crazy once. They left me in a room full of rats.
No, no.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go. Made this. Nigga, you need to brush your goddamn teeth. Raised you. Ugh.
こんにちは。
Well, hi.
ブルースです。
Uh-huh.
大丈夫だよ。わかったよ。なぜさ。
Nigga, why do you sound like Hatsune Miku?
目を信用する。
Now, let's ask somebody for directions.
Oh, fine. Who do you want to ask? The spec? There's nobody here.
We could always ask your fucking mom, bitch.
Let us all say the pledge. I am a mindless eating machine, not a nice shark. Fish are food, not friends.
Period, though. Period. Period. Stick to your roots, guys. Stick to your roots, always.
Nemo! Stinking dolphins.
Dolphins? Yeah, they think they're soaps.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so the fact that y'all are talking shit about dolphins goes to show me that you're a racist. Okay, you can't just be sharks and then be racist against dolphins just because they don't do what you do and just because they don't look like you. Like, how dare you? See, this is exactly why we need unity in the world because. Okay, I'm fucking. Alright, I'm done.
Oh, look at me, I'm a flippin' little dolphin.
Shit.
今度出会ったら先発その面へ叩き込むぞ。
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn. Dang, get it, Bruce. Get it, Bruce. Get it, Bruce.
Oh no. Bruce.
What?
Bruce. Oh shit. Oh! You done fucked up. You done fucked it up.
the person next to me.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Right. Right. Bye, Brian. Bye, Brian.
Espérate, mierda. Hello, little fella.
When you're having a very, very severe case of what the fuck-itis.
Beauty, isn't he?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Nigga, we don't want your damn bubbles then. Keep them. The fuck? Oh shit.
Bonjour.
Do you know where my dad is?
Your dad is in a strip club in Las Vegas.
I mean, he probably is. He probably is. He was some purple bitch in the sea looking for your dumb ass.
So, which one is it?
See, and this is what you get for touching booties up in here, bruh. Like, you get locked up in a cage, not a cage, but you get locked up in something that looks similar to a cage with a bunch of niggas that you don't know. And this is why you don't touch butts or talk to strangers. Yes.
Jacques! We clean in! We...
What the fuck?
Voila! He is clean.
Voila? Alright.
The big blue. What's it?
More like the big blue balls.
It's not going to
Anyways.
hurt.
The human mouth is a disgusting place.
Say hello to your new mum.
Your mom is also a very disgusting place. How did I know? You don't want to know.
You're
Anyways.
her present.
Oh, God. Oh, shit. Here he goes. Oh, shit. Here he go. Here he go. Here he go drinking the whole motherfucking ocean and bringing Nemo with him. Like, we need any more of that in this world.
Hold up.
Who's
Let
this
him
guy?
cook.
I forgot that they have a Finding Nemo game. Did any of y'all play that shit as a kid, by the way? I never got a chance to, but did y'all play it? I never did.
Darla.
What? What's wrong with her?
So basically, the toilet guys are fighting against
Darla loves to kill fucking fish. She's a goddamn murderer. That's what the fuck is wrong with
the
her.
camera guys, and there's like a big war.
That looks delicious.
Nobody touch it.
I mean,
The mask! Where's the mask?
first of all, why bring a whole ass cake if you ain't gonna share it? Rude.
I reject my humanity.
Yeah, no shit. We see that.
Hi, I'm Dory.
Dory need to take her ass home, for real. If she could remember where she lives.
Dory, no singing.
Sorry.
Let me see that.
Don't touch it. Don't touch
I'm
it.
not gonna touch it. I just want to look.
Hey.
Now, Dory, I want you to tell me. Do you see anything?
These nuts.
It's so pretty.
I'm feeling happy.
I mean, damn. I mean, damn.
Okay, okay. P. Okay.
Peterman. Peterman.
It's Sydney!
Duck on this bit.
Yeah, Balenciaga, bitch.
I want to touch it.
Of course she would want to touch it. Of course she would want to touch it. Anyhow.
Nemo.
Nigga. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, nigga. You need to take me home. I'm gonna need y'all to take me the fuck home. I did not come up in this tank asking to be a part of no goddamn Bohemian Grove ass ritual. I don't know what the fuck you thought this was, bitch, but I did not ask for none of this shit. Okay, nigga, nah, nigga, nah.
State your name.
Yo, mama.
You can call me Yoshikage Kira. I'm currently 33 years.
We're gonna
Okay,
get him
first
out
of
of
all.
here. We're gonna help him escape.
Escape? Really?
We're all
How about escape these nuts, bro? God.
gonna escape.
Escape!
They'll take us out of the tank, put us in the individual baggies, then we'll roll ourselves down the counter, out of the window, off the awning, into the bushes, across the street, and into the harbor.
If you
So, guys, we just reached 250K. Thanks, guys.
don't like me at my worst, then you don't like me at my best. I don't like you at all.
Period. 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 Though. Period.
Hey, you like impressions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what are we? Take a guess.
Oh, I've seen one of those. Whoa. Nice French.
Ah, hell
Something's
no.
telling me we should swim through it, not
Someone is telling me that we should swim through your mom, Dory.
over it.
Are you even looking at this thing? It's got death written all over it. Look, something shiny.
Squirtle.
Ah, shit. Run.
Are you hungry?
Hungry?
Yeah, because you're about to eat my bubs.
Oh,
We
shit.
did it. Look at them.
Eat my balls.
Fish aren't meant to be in a box, kid. It does things to you.
Bubbles are literally like crack to this man. Like, I feel like that yellow fish is the literal 7-Eleven crackhead. Just in fish form. Anywho. Okay.
Anyway, he swam
I
out in
mean,
the
don't
open
get me
water.
wrong. I'll be smoking a little bit too, but like that's a little bit much, don't you think? Yeah, like gang, goddamn.
To this boat, and when he was out there, these divers appeared, and
Turtles, the baby turtles are so cute.
I tried to stop them, but the boat was too fast. So we swam out in the ocean to follow.
So his son Mango gets kidnapped by some narcos. He takes his 9mm with him and goes on the way to help him.
Marlin scares them away because he's a black belt in jujitsu.
These niggas, I know damn well. I'm gonna need these motherfuckers to stop spreading rumors and shit.
Golly, that's amazing.
I
Not
heard
even
his
in the
fins
story.
are made of tight.
Okay, he didn't even say nothing about no damn titanium. How the fuck do y'all know what titanium is when you're fish?
Head to Sydney and get attacked by a bunch of water wombats. Please help. Hold on there, mate. I'm telling you.
Yeah, man. He's like the Keanu Reeves of the clownfishes.
The Keanu Reeves of the clownfishes. Are you trying to say he like John Wick?
Really
bruh?
cool dude.
Really cool dude.
Wish he was my father. We'd go
Uh,
fishing together. Swimming.
I mean, damn, that's a little bit dramatic, but I get it. Okay.
He's the funniest clownfish ever. A comedy genius.
He is even
Okay, these motherfuckers is getting everybody, everything all the way the fucked up. I don't. Child, how the fuck?
subscribed to
You know.
defibrillator
Literally a game of telephone. I'm not even gonna
and
lie.
has the notifications on.
Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father?
I can't believe this story you're telling me. It's macabre.
Whatever you do, don't mention
Damn.
RS.
It's okay, I know who you're talking about.
He said don't mention the IRS. Nigga, I don't think any of us want to mention those niggas. Hit him again. Hit him again. Yep. Damn.
I am addicted to eating rot.
Be as gross as possible. Think dirty thoughts. We're gonna make this tank so filthy, the dentist will have to clean it.
Take a huge fat shit.
That was.
Removing butt hairs using Nair cream. I forgot that that was a thing that was uploaded and got millions of views for whatever reason. I guess YouTube really wanted you to know about that. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want YouTube to know about my videos. Do it.
Fun! I actually enjoyed that. That means we're not straight.
Oh hell no. Nah. We ain't nah. We going home. We go home. Detecting multiple Leviathan class life forms in the region. Nigga, what the fuck is a Leviathan class life form? Nigga. See, this is exactly why we need to learn how to mind our business as human beings, because this is the type of shit that gets you killed in the region.
So two whales are sitting in a bar. One turns to the other one and says, and then the other whale says, "Go home, Steve, you're drunk."
Oh, look, Krill!
I'm 1 in a trillion.
Look at
One in a trillion. I'm one in a trillion. Nigga, shut
Would you
up.
look at that? Filthy. Absolutely filthy. That's all thanks to you, kid. You made it possible.
Blows? That's disgusting.
Nigga, what the fuck are you supposed to do? I mean, oh shit, he was upside down the entire time. I mean, y'all are supposed to make it filthy. I don't know why he judging you. You swimming in the shit too, breathing in the shit, looking at the shit, probably eating the shit on top of the shit. Fuck is wrong with you? Anyway.
Pretty good to me.
We're in a whale! Don't you get it? A whale! Because you had to ask for help, and now we're stuck here.
See, now we could have been in your mom. Would that have like simmered down any of your bitching? No. So why are you getting mad at me?
You're welcome.
How do I taste, Moby? Huh? Do I taste good?
Okay, first of all, that is not workplace appropriate. You're fired.
Look! Sid.
Move it out. Do the shit.
I can't hear you, Peach.
You must got kurwa some code because I not give you kurwa this PC kurwa.
Curse you, Aqua God!
Excuse me?
When you get angry, yes.
Oh, whoa,
yes.
whoa. Whoa. Okay, excuse me. Is that Karen 2.0? This bitch come from.
Be okay.
Darla, your uncle will see you now.
Oh, hell no. She kind of is the devil incarnate when you think about it, considering how many casualties she's taken from that fish tank. But anywho.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
Oh no, she really is the spawn of Satan. Fuck that bitch. Anyway.
Oh, yes, you can.
Yep, little bitch. Yep. Yeah, I hope the trauma shuts you the fuck up, little bitch.
Oh, hell no. I mean, fuck was that guy?
I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Bet. Of course you did. Yes.
He's gonna get flushed down the toilet. He's gonna get out of here.
He's gonna get flushed.
What a smart little guy. Oh, no.
Oh, hell no. Not the blender, damn it.
Sorry.
Oh,
If it wasn't for you,
was he about to eat them again? First of
I
all,
never would have even made it here. So,
a dead ass. Oh, fuck you indeed.
Nemo?
We're going home right now.
Oh, dead ass. Leave that bitch. Bye. Bye. The end. Yes. Beautiful. Oh, that was great. I'm gonna see if I can find anything at the end of this. At the end of this. Okay. That was fire. All right. Yep. That's the end. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed that reaction video. I kind of when I fucks with this guy's editing and stuff like that, I might actually subscribe to this guy. I think you guys should too. You know what I mean? And then of course, make sure you check this video out on your own. I'm going to leave the links in the description as I do with every other video that I react to. But of course, if you guys want to see more content like this, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely go ahead and just spread this around. Spread this around like monkeypox. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty sure that's not difficult for y'all to do anyways. But other than that, goodness gracious. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, afternoon, or evening. Be safe out there, and shalom.